Carrie, what is that? Come on, Daddy will check. Daddy will take your picture. I will take the film. Now you use your scooter. Who's that? What's the name of that? What's the name of that princess? Is it? I don't know. Is it Jasmine? Who's prettier? Jasmine or Carrie?
Jasmine.
No, Carrie is prettier. How about your scooter? Oh, ride your scooter. You have to ride your scooter. You have to ride your scooter. Why? Yeah, I want to catch you on film in the scooter. What you doing?